Hey there. Have you ever looked around your house and thought, why do I have 3 toasters, a collection of VHS tapes, and a pair of cowboy boots I've worn once? Well, my friend, that's not clutter, it's cash waiting to happen. eBay, the OG of online marketplaces, is still going strong with over 135 million users worldwide, buying and selling just about everything. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your unwanted stuff, or even new products, into serious money on eBay. So grab a coffee, dust off that drawer full of I'll sell it someday items, and let's get started. 1. Declutter and sell what you don't need. Start with the easiest step, sell your unused items. From old gadgets to vintage clothing, there's a buyer for almost everything on eBay. Fun fact, someone once sold an air guitar on eBay for $5. Yes, you read that right, an invisible guitar. So if they can do that, you can sell that old blender. Pro tip. Take clear, well-lit photos and write honest descriptions to attract more buyers. 2. Flip thrift store finds. Ever heard of flipping? Buy cool stuff from thrift stores, garage sales or clearance aisles, then resell it on eBay for a profit. Vintage items, rare finds and trending products are always hot sellers. Relatable angle. Think of it as treasure hunting, but instead of a pirate ship, you're raiding the local Goodwill. Pro tip. Use apps like eBay's price checker to see what items are worth before you buy them. 3. Start a dropshipping business. If you don't want to deal with inventory, dropshipping is your best friend. Partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. All you do is list the items, and when they sell, your supplier handles the rest. Humor hook. It's like owning a store without ever having to find a place to store those 200 unicorn mugs. 4. Sell collectibles or niche items. Do you have a collection of rare trading cards, action figures, or quirky antiques? eBay is the place for collectors to find their holy grail items. Engaging example. Someone sold a sealed copy of Super Mario Bros. For over $2 million on eBay. So yeah, maybe it's time to check your attic. 5. Offer repair services with a twist. Are you good at fixing things? Buy broken or damaged items on eBay, repair them, and resell them for a higher price. It's a win-win. Relatable angle. Finally, your talent for fixing things with duct tape and a prayer can make you some money. 6. Leverage eBay's global audience. Did you know eBay operates in over 190 markets? This means you can sell to people all around the world. Offer shipping options for international buyers to expand your audience and profits. Fun twist. Because someone in Switzerland might really need that quirky 90s fanny pack you've been holding on to. 7. Create an eBay store for long-term success. If you're serious about making money, consider opening an eBay store. It gives you perks like lower fees, better branding, and tools to grow your business. Pro tip. Treat it like your virtual storefront, without the rent, utility bills, or awkward neighbors dropping by. And there you have it. 7 fun and easy ways to make money with eBay. Whether you're decluttering, flipping treasures, or building a business, eBay is the ultimate money-making platform. Now tell me, what's the first thing you're going to sell? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a little extra cash and maybe a little less clutter. Let's turn your random stuff into real money. Cha-ching!